Welcome family and friends to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this transformation video. I have also tagged all the products and anything you might need in the video. With this haircut first, I'm going to blow out her hair because her hair is curly. Prior to starting out the blowout, I deep conditioned her hair with a steam treatment, all using Moroccan oil products. This allows the hair to continue to be healthy, and as I blow it out, will not cause damage to her curls. Usually, people that have curly hair, they always want to maintain that curl pattern intact, so that's why I do the steam treatment each and every time I blow out someone's hair. Now it's all blown out and we're gonna proceed cutting. I'm gonna start by forming the shape first and then going through and then texturizing and thinning. Cutting is totally an art. Some people love to cut hair while it's wet. I prefer to cut hair on curly clients dry because it helps me see the shape of how their hair is going to be styled in. I am not sure if you can tell with this beautiful young lady, but her hair, she has a lot of hair, probably like for a person and a half. And that's why I'm taking it in steps of just cutting all of it. Now I'm starting to texturize and decrease the bulk so when I flat iron it, it'll lay down really nicely the way she wants it to.
Shut up and sit down.
Now it's time to flat iron so we can see the shape of the haircut. Friends and family, I also want to thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a like and also comment your favorite part. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. Have an awesome rest of the day. And until next time, friends, bye.